The Pakistan government has announced a significant reduction in fuel prices, cutting petrol and high-speed diesel rates by 22 rupees per litre each. According to an official statement issued by the Prime Minister's office, the new prices will bring down the cost of both petrol and diesel following recent adjustments in global oil markets. Last week, the government had already reduced fuel prices by between 6 and 7 rupees per litre. At that time, the price of high-speed diesel stood at 402 rupees and 78 paisa per litre, while petrol was priced at 403 rupees and 78 paisa per litre. With the latest reduction of 22 rupees per litre, the new price of high-speed diesel has been set at around 380 rupees per litre, while petrol will now cost approximately 381 rupees per litre. The Prime Minister's office said the decision reflects the government's commitment to passing on relief to the public whenever fiscal squeeze becomes available. It stated that the promise made by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif to provide relief has now been fulfilled. The statement also quoted the Prime Minister saying that providing relief to the people remains his top priority. It further noted that fuel prices had also been reduced in the previous week and that the federal government has been offering subsidies for public and goods transport as well as for commuters using motorcycles and rickshaws. Petrol is widely used in private vehicles, small transport, rickshaws, and two-wheelers and has a direct impact on the monthly budgets of middle and lower middle income groups. High-speed diesel, on the other hand, is mainly used in the heavy transport sector and for large generators. The government has been reviewing petroleum prices on a weekly basis every Friday night, following the ongoing global energy situation linked to the US-Israel war on Iran, which began on February 28. Officials say the adjustments in fuel prices are closely tied to fluctuations in international oil markets, which continue to influence domestic pricing decisions. The latest cut comes as part of continued efforts by the government to provide relief to consumers while responding to changes in global fuel prices. For more on this, read the full-down story linked in the description.